Just wanted to show you a couple of more things here. Pin 3, which is labeled fairly well, which is the third one in here, is the common position for our black wire. If you want to run the fan in high volume mode, then the 5-volt lead is next to common, and the red lead will plug into that. You want, if the fan is needed in slow mode, you'll plug it in to this pin in the back here. It's fairly well described in the user's guide and easy to follow, but sometimes it helps just to see it. So as you can see on the Pi here, we have fairly easy access to our power port, video ports, audio plug, as well as the high-speed USB ports, the USB 2 ports, the wired Cat 5 internet connection, easy access as well to our memory card in the back here. This is a very well designed case, and solid aluminum, and very stylish as well. I think you're going to enjoy it. For Internet of Things projects, you can see how easily accessible our GPIO connection is. Here's a ribbon strip on the breadboard here that makes access for your projects fairly easy. I happen to be using the Key Studio cable here that I bought on Amazon, but yeah, they're all pretty similar. So to connect the ribbon cable, we'll disconnect our connection to the fan. Ribbon cable plugs in directly, as you can see. And if we need cooling, we'll then run pins from our fan to the breadboard and pull off either 3.5 volts or 5 volts and the ground connection. There you have it. Enjoy your projects.